What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to take this knotted up extension cord and turn it into this. Coming up. First thing I like to do is to stretch the cord across the floor, get it strung out. This makes it a lot easier when you start pulling your loops. Alright guys, after you have it connected together, it's pretty simple. You just take it and you loop over just like you're doing an overhand loop. Just take and twist a little. And then all you really want to do is bring your tag end up through the hole. Pull it like this. I'll show you one more time to get a start on the beginning. You just take and loop it over. You can feed it up from the bottom. Just pull it up through the loop you just made. And you have the first one. You grab your tag end again and just run it through the back side of that loop. Run it through that loop. You just keep putting them through these loops till you get to the end. It's easy if you feed your hand through and just pull it. You just keep putting their tag in through the loop and bringing it out the top until you get down here to the end, and then you just bring it through like you normally would right here, and that gives you a little handle to where you can hang it up on the wall. And you have this neatly wrapped cord that you can throw on the floor, wad up, whatever. It'll never get tangled. It always comes out. Alright, here's a little different angle so you can see. Once you get this loop down, I mean, you can fly through this thing. It's really not hard. So you make your first loop. Once you get this loop figured out and to bring it through, it's simple because everyone's like it. So all you do, one more time, is you make your overhand loop, pull it through the loop. You got it like this, then you just feed it through the hole. Bring your tag end, just keep going through the hole, and you can just speed right through it and roll up your extension cord and hang it on the wall, put it in the back of your truck. It won't get tangled up, and you don't have to fight every time you get out to use it. Alright guys, to take it apart is pretty simple. The end where you ended up at and the one that you'll hang on the wall, this is the end that takes it apart. You just bring your loop where it's hanging here. Just bring your loop out, and basically you just hold it and they'll just keep coming apart. Now you have your drop cord ready to go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you got any value out of this video, please hit that subscribe button and help the channel out, and make sure you ring that notification bell so you know every time I put out a video. I'm going to try to put out at least one video a week. It's a little tough, but I'm going to keep trying. But like, subscribe, and share. Hope y'all enjoyed it. God bless.